Alright, today we will be testing the passive range of motion of Abetta's knees. So I'm just going to start with flexion and extension, which happens along the sagittal plane, along the frontal axis. Just bring her into full flexion here. Is this your uninjured side? Yes. So this is her uninjured side, going to be looking, she gets about like 140, 145 degrees, which is pretty normal. I get to that firm end feel. And there I get about 10 degrees, which is normal, and get to that bony end feel. Coming over to the injured side, I'll bring her into flexion. Pain there? How much pain on the scale of 1 to 10? 6. 6? And can you point to the pain?
It's like on the inside.
Okay. So I can't get to my end range with flexion there. Coming down into extension. Any pain with that?
No.
Yeah, that's about equal. I get to that full end feel of bone on bone, which is, and this is about 10 degrees, which is equal to her other leg. Just going to test with a goniometer now. So landmarking that greater trochanter, lateral epicondyle, and her fibula, bringing her to 0, and bringing her into full flexion. And there I get to 155, so she's pretty flexible there. And then relax your leg all the way down into extension. And I get to 10 degrees there, which is normal. Alright, same landmarking as the other side. Bring her to 0. And we'll start with extension because she didn't have any pain there. Any pain with that?
No.
Alright, this side is a little less at 8 degrees, and then bring her into flexion. Any pain? Tell me when there's pain. Right there?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so that's just about 110 degrees, which is significantly reduced from her other side. And I'll get you to flip over, Abetta. Bringing your feet onto the table with a slight bend in your knees and lifting your toes off the table. Perfect. Your injured side is your right leg.
Yeah.
We'll start with internal and external rotation, which will be about 10-15 degrees normal for both sides, which happen in the transverse plane along the longitudinal axis. So starting with external or internal. Any pain there? She has about 10 degrees, which is normal. Any pain in there? I'm able to get to that firm end feel on both of those there. Full range in both of them. About 10 degrees. And lift up your toes again. We'll do external. Any pain there? She has a little bit more, 15-ish degrees. I'm able to get to that end feel of that firm stretch. The ligaments. Any pain? No? And equal on this side, about 15 degrees firm end feel. So based on my findings of passive range of motion, I would have to say, based on where she pointed, she could have a first-degree vastus medialis strain, a possible sprain of her anterior MCL, and possibly a meniscus tear posterior, but anterior, unable to tell based on no pain in internal or external rotations on which side it would be.